What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Man, I gotta check out the mall because yeah, there's been some new developments regarding the Kyries. I gotta go see if they got any, and I gotta go see what the prices are. All right, we gotta go check out these Kyries. Yeah, a bunch of you guys have told me about what's been going on with the Kyries, like the sale prices and stuff. Bosco also covered it on his channel. All right, let's go take a look. All right, Foot Locker's been the primary store that most of you guys have been talking about. Been seeing it on Instagram too, $60 for all the Kyries. All right, let's go see what they got, man. Let's go. And I do see them. Damn, I think a lot of people have already hit this place up because this is size 12, man. These were like so readily available. And they don't have the color that I want. Like I like this color, but I really wanted the white with the baby blue on it. Dang it. But yeah, 60 bucks. Got these for 60 bucks. These are pretty dope. These ain't bad. Alright. These are all the Kyrie Infinities. This is pretty much the price we're seeing at the clearance stores. And the great thing is these are over $50, so you could use a survey coupon and get these for 50 bucks, dude. 50 bucks. I'm gonna go to Champs to see if they have any there because they don't have the colorway that I want. Yeah, this is a low. I think I'd be good with this one, but I like that. There's that white one with the baby blue, so I'm gonna go check. And we have been seeing the Dunk Highs left or we've been even seeing the Dunk Lows. That just shows how the market is right now. That's insane if you think about it. A few months ago. Damn, these are down to 100 bucks too. Man, what size is this? What size is this? This looks like a size 11. What, 9.5? 10.5, man, 10.5, that is my size. To be able to get these for 90 bucks, that's hella cheap. Oh my goodness. What is this? $30 for some Nikes. These are the waffle ones. Going for $30 normally, or 105. Damn, that just tells you how the market is right now. That's crazy. Even the Air Maxes, Air Max 97. I think the Silver Bullets are coming out. These are going for $120, almost the same as Silver Bullet. Hell of a lot cheaper. And then got these two. We've been seeing these two on sale. We haven't been seeing them for $80 though. That's hella cheap. Also got the Air Max 95 right there going for hella cheap. Man, dude, Air Max Plus getting the same treatment. The LeBron Low right here getting the same treatment as well. Oh my goodness. And then these, same as outlets, man. Outlets been selling them for 100 bucks. Man. And even the Blazers going for hella cheap. The Minecraft version with the TNT in the back. If you got kids, you know what the hell I'm talking about. If you don't, then, you know. And then Jordans. I'll cover the Jordans just because that's what we do. You know, that's what y'all been looking for in the past, at least. And then Duke got a bunch of stuff on sale, man. Duke got a bunch of stuff on sale. Reebok section right here. These on sale at a bunch of spots, man. Bunch of spots for 70 bucks. Remember, all this stuff, all the non-Jordan retros you can use. Survey coupons, man. That's what's up. Hoping these go on sale like one of these because I do like the leather on these. 85, that's way too steep, yo. Leather is like super nice. Got K-Swiss. Homie Ron Taylor, man, he had such a good joke about the K-Swiss, man. That's funny. Then the Burrows. The Joe Burrows go for $10. $10 for the Joe Burrows. If you guys need to keep your feet warm at night. You know, the Champions slippers are all gone here, so gotta use those, I guess. Oh wait, I'm all talking smack about the Champion slippers being gone. Nope, got them here. I'm not a fan of these though, and they do have like different material ones. The one that I have is like the synthetic material inside. This one has like that soft material right here, man. That'll get my feet hella sweaty. This will keep your feet warm as hell. $10, $10 freaking dollars. Oh my goodness. RSX is on sale. We haven't seen prices like this on the Puma RSX, I think since the pandemic first started when I got mine for $20. Yeah, because, man, these were back to regular price now. These are the highs right here. Man, These are on sale. These are going to continue to go down because, man, like these I don't know. I'm just not feeling these, man. Just not feeling them. I don't think most people are. And then that's pretty much about it. No resto mods, no Guild Zero resto mods here. All right, let's go. Let's go. They do have the foams. The foams, but we've been seeing that at a lot of spots. All right, let's go check out the next spot. Let's go. All right, next up, champs. Let's see if they got any Kyries, man. That's kind of the goal for today. Damn, I don't see any Kyries here at all. Maybe they threw them all over to Foot Locker. Oh, wait. Oh, I think these are the ones that I like. These are the ones that I like. Damn, they got it for 100. I'm gonna see if they price match. I'll see if they have the size that I have. This is the size 10 right here, but I need 10.5 for 11. And then, yeah, we'll see if they price match, because, man, it's 59 everywhere, dude. Yeah, they gotta go for 100, but I do believe they do price match with Foot Locker, because it's the same company. So yeah, let me find out. Let me look around, and then I'll ask around. Zoom Freak 3s go for a few dollars less. I guess 50 bucks less. Normally 120. Wow, Zoom Freak 2s already on sale. Wow, the Zion 2s already on sale. Wow, that's hella surprising. Also got the flights, and then the Delta Breathes, or the Delta 2s, the Jordan 37s, performance ones, man. Then do got these right here. The LeBrons are on sale, the LeBron lows, and then the LeBron 20s. Starting to see them readily available now. Okay, wait, this Kyrie's only $70. Why is that other one? That's weird. That's weird. And then these aren't even on sale. These are the Kyrie Low 5s. Those aren't on sale. And then these are down to, these are 100. What the hell, man? This ain't making sense. Air Max 97s on sale. And then, oh, and then these Air Max 95s also on sale. Pretty much outlet prices, right? Dang, dude. And then these on sale as well. Dang, it's like pretty much the same stuff on sale pretty much at every sneaker shop pretty much now. They actually got multiple Under Armour sneakers. They never had this many Under Armour sneakers here. So that is dope, because they need to diversify, because Nike, you know, took away a bunch of stuff. These are the Phantom 2s, the Hover Phantom 2s going for 140. And this is like Under Armour's most premium running sneaker, so got a nice little selection here. Even the Project Rock, these are the budget ones. So the BSR 2s, 100 bucks for these. And then these are like the signature Project Rock, the Project Rock 5s. These are going for $150. I've never seen this at a champ, so it does look like they're diversifying. Okay. They are playing some dope music. This is what I grew up with. Man, this song is fire as hell. Got the Nooses right here, the Noosa 14s. These have so much flavor on them. Like, I don't know if they're priced right, maybe I might get one of these. They're light. They're got a ton of flight foam on it, which is a Asics like nicer foams. $130 for these. They look fire, dude. I like the way they look. Kayana 28s, or the 29s about to come out, because they're all on sale. Normally $160 down to $100. Okay. And the Nimbus also on sale. Got a bunch of different colorways of those as well. Definitely have not seen all of these, like all the different colorways of the, what are these, the foam Quakes. Definitely haven't seen that anywhere. Man. Converse, not really seen too many sales. RSXs, we saw those on sale at that other spot. All right, let's go check out some more spots. Let's go. JD Sports, are they fleecing the Kyries too? I don't know. I haven't heard anything. And they blast the music the hell up. Man, I hate this store actually. All right, but let's still go look. All right, let's go. Damn, no sales on the Kyries at all. Holy cow, this just don't make no damn sense. Seems like Nike's pressuring everybody to get them on sale, but not here. Not here. LeBron's even way more expensive. All the other spots, LeBron's will go for $100. They're $200 here. These are down to $80. That's actually a pretty good deal on these. We saw these on sale last time as well. They got one of the Brotherhoods right there. Man, music is just hella loud, dude. I'm gonna leave, dude. Music is just way too loud. Gonna get copyright strike, man. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Kyrie's ain't even on sale here anyway. Let's go. All right, I totally forgot something, man. We need to come back here real quick. I forgot about these. I do need to ask them about it, dude. I do need to ask them if they price me. I don't. Should I get them? Should I not? That's what I'm wondering. To be really honest, that's what I'm wondering. I don't know. I'm waiting for the Chicago ones. I'm gonna try to get 2 pair of those. So I'm like, do I want to spend another 50 on top of that? I don't know. I bought a few pair of sneakers too, and I haven't even shared with you guys some of them. Like, let me ask them though. I need to ask them. Try to get you guys this information. Did talk to one of the workers. They do match the Foot Locker prices. She seemed very aware that they'll go for $60. I'm thinking about it. Just because, man, I'm trying to be more selective. I'm trying to cut down the number of sneakers I have at home, and I just keep buying more and more sneakers. These are fire. This is my favorite color of the Kyries for sure. I'm thinking about it. All right, we're gonna go to the other shop, and then I'm gonna think about it in the meantime, because I do like these, and I do like them. Damn, I just realized I'm on Maniers. I need to get those. I'm on Manier 4s. Hopefully I can get that for retail, because, man, who knows how that's going to work. But, damn, so I still need what? I still need a couple, maybe 2 or 3 pairs this month. God dang it. All right, I'm still thinking about those Kyries. That's all right. Do got a shoe palace right here. Let's go, last shop. Not much has changed here. Jordan section's not too bad, to be really honest, but I don't really see much else though. Do got these here. Do got the Legacy 312s. So yeah, this is a combination of the 3, 2, and 1s, right? I think the combination of the 3, 2, 1s. Do got the 1 toe box right here. Got the 3s right here, and then I know it's a 2. I don't know which one. Which part is a 2? I don't know. No, that's a 3 right there. That's a 1. That's a 1. I don't know. I know there's a part of the 3 and a 2 and a 1. That's what's called 312. It's also the area code in Chicago, right? But yeah, this is designed by Don C. $140 for those. Size 12. All right, 11 low IEs. Got some mids. Got the 1s right here. More mids. Got the Stealth 12s. Also got the Ginger 14s. All going for retail. Then also got these center cords right here, $135. We've seen a lot of these for hella cheap. Like, dude, the material's like super soft on them. Not the biggest fan, but you know, they're here. Got some more mids right there. These are an SC, so $135 for these. They call it the Craft. Then the 7s. These are the Afro Beats. Is that what they call them? Y'all were telling me in the comment section. Because I don't know this colorway. I don't really know much about these. I don't know much about the 7s, to be really honest. It does have the Nike Air on the back. Was going to show you guys the sales section right here, but they don't even have the prices on them. Usually they have a little price tag on these, you know. So these are all on sale. Who knows what the price is though, man? 574s right here. But like I said, we don't know what the price is because nothing's listed. Some Lauren Londons. Oh, Forever Strong. Okay. These are all women's right here. Nothing too crazy though. Some Fontankas. These are the Air Force One Fontankas with React on them. And then got some Burrows, some budgets, Nikes right there. But that's about it. They don't even have any Nike basketball sneakers here. No Kyries at all. I'm still thinking about those Kyries. Dang. All right, let's wrap it up. All right, guys. That was it, man. The Kyries on sale right now. You know, I don't even want to get too political into whether you want to support or not. Some of you guys are gonna want to buy those sneakers. Some of you guys aren't. Whatever works for you guys, go ahead. They are on sale, so you know, make that decision. I didn't end up buying them. Probably a good thing because I did end up buying some other sneakers online. So probably a good thing. Because, you know, I'm waiting for the 1s, waiting for the 4s. You know what I'm saying? And I'm hoping to come up on multiple of the 1s. So I don't know. We'll see. I really can't afford buying 7, 8, 9 pair of sneakers like every month. So it is what it is. But yeah, definitely dope sneaker if you guys are into Kyrie's or if you guys want to support, whatever, you know, like pretty dope. They're good for hoops, stuff like that. Probably probably the last Kyrie around too. You know what I'm saying? So it might be, it might be something that you want just for that. But yeah, I got plenty coming. Yeah, the sales are getting pretty crazy. Sales are getting pretty crazy at the stores, the retail shops. They're struggling compared to what they were doing earlier this year and stuff. So we're gonna see a lot more sales. It's definitely a time where if it's not super hype, you don't have to go buy the sneaker like right away. You can wait. You know what I'm saying? Like we've seen some of those the hell are those? We've seen some of those the Griffies, the wheat colorway. We've seen them like hella cheap, even at the retail shop. So you definitely can be patient. Not a time when you have to go rush. And we'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Kind of late getting this video out. Now that's what happens when you're out till like 3 in the morning. Kind of just works out that way. But yeah, make sure you help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. And yeah, my goal always to get you guys a video a day. But yes, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.